YouTube, what is going on? It is good to finally be back on the vlog, back on the channel. It's been a little while, I'm not gonna lie. And today we are in the car. We are filming with a new camera, as you guys can see. Let me know how it looks. We're probably gonna have this camera for the few coming months and maybe upgrade. It is an oldie but a goodie. I've been using it on the channel for some time, kind of paused, but we have it back again. It is the Sony ZV-1F. So I just picked it up at Best Buy for $549.99 plus tax. So a subscribe will be much appreciated if you guys haven't already. So today it is Wednesday, May 8th. It is 5 p.m. as you guys can see, and I just wanted to hop on to the vlog and shoot a little video and say what's up. We are actually going to be going to the Apple store in this video, and we're going to be picking up the pink iPhone. So many of you guys might have seen that iPhone a few months back, around September, October, November of last year in 2023, and we are going to be picking it up finally now, a few months down the road, and we're gonna see what the pink iPhone is, the iPhone 15. We're gonna see what the iPhone is like. We're gonna do a little day in the life, a little review, and see what's going on. So if you guys are looking forward to this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on, comment, share, follow all the socials if you haven't already, and probably not film when I'm driving. Maybe I'll set the tripod down. We'll try, and I'll catch you guys at the mall. So see you guys later. Alright guys, you might be wondering why I'm not at the mall right now. I was at the mall. I did pick up the iPhone. It's right here. I'm back in the studio. I'm editing the video, and I made a very big rookie mistake. So, you know when you're recording slow motion does not have audio. And that whole segment that I filmed at the mall was actually filmed in slow motion instead of standard 4K as I'm shooting right now. So all of my mall footage is basically video only. I'm gonna speed it up for some B-roll, and there's no audio. But the mall went well. We picked up the green iPhone 15 in the 128GB version, just the base model. I know at the beginning of the video I said that we would be checking out the pink version, but one of our subscribers actually messaged us. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me if you aren't. But one of my subscribers messaged me and said, "You should get the green iPhone." I was like, you know what? Green iPhone it is. So we picked up the green iPhone. It felt kind of awkward filming in public. We haven't filmed in public in a little while, but I'm getting back into the groove of it, so we'll see how that goes. But instead of making a separate video for the unboxing, since this one is a lot shorter since I lost the mall footage, I'm just gonna run the unboxing in this video, and then we're gonna check out a day in the life in the next video. So stay tuned and enjoy the unboxing. Alright, so here we are with the green iPhone 15. Usual Apple packaging. You can see that the side where it says iPhone is also in a lighter tone of green. This is actually the same exact tone of green that is found on the iPhone itself. So to see the iPhone itself, we're gonna pull off the usual green pull tabs. Nice and satisfying like always. Beautiful. Second one. Beautiful. Set those aside. Flip the box over. And there we are, the beautiful green iPhone. Now, as you guys can see, it is a really light green. Looks very, very nice in the light. So we're gonna pull that, set that right aside. We have the braided USB-C cable, as you guys can see. Set that aside. Designed by Apple in California, the usual. SIM card ejection tool, Apple stickers, and other legal documentation and instructions. And what we have most been waiting for, the iPhone itself. I will never get tired of unboxing these beauties. We will turn the iPhone up, and there you go. So amazing. Now, this color honestly looks insane. Look at that. Super, super beautiful. It does have that nice finish. This is just the base iPhone 15, so we have the dual camera system, power button, side button on the right side. We do have the action button since it is the iPhone 15. And little as you guys know, we will also have the dynamic island. Super nice. 60 Hertz refresh rate, which I'm still getting used to. Honestly, it doesn't feel so horrible using the phone. The display is obviously quite brighter. And the bezels, they're about the same size. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max bezels are slightly thinner. Braided cable. Maybe one day it would be pretty nice to see a cable that came in the same color as the iPhone. But unboxing iPhones are always so aesthetic, so fun. We're gonna set up Face ID right over there. Set my face in. Turn it all around. Beautiful haptics. Use Face ID with a mask. Don't think I'll need that, but why not? We're gonna move the iPhone a little lower. Get all the angles of the face. Second Face ID scan is complete. We're gonna set up our passcode. There you go. And overall, guys, the usual unboxing experience of an iPhone. I'm not gonna transfer anything because I want to use it like a brand new iPhone and just see what it is like. So I just got a verification code on my iPhone that I use, allow, because I signed into iCloud, and I'm gonna, set it up, use it for the evening, and tomorrow I am going to film a day in the life with this phone and see what it's really like. So I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, share it around, and if you guys like kind of these vlogs and then setting it up later on in the video, let me know. Follow my Instagram, DM me, I respond. I love hearing your guys' feedback, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to go check out the day in the life that's going live soon.